Whoops, I did it again. What did I promise myself? You know what I said? Not one investment piece that isn't completely practical and forever. They had to be forever. And what did I do? I bought ginormous woolly arm pom-poms. Practical they're not, but how freaking cool are these? Am I going to be able to drive? Can't necessarily go out in a tank top and huge woolly pom-poms on my arms. What if I have this little transparent cover up, which is super cute on its own, but then you put the babies over top? I'm kind of obsessed right now with the transformation of these. Let's try something a little more fall winter. Holy cannoli. I mean, the question is, can I eat? Who cares? I can hold a cocktail. I love this look so much. The crisp white shirt dress under the double-breasted gilet. Do you think these pom-pom thingies are going to make it better? Holy oversized accessories, Batman. I think it's actually making it better. I bought this Rick Owens leather vest thing. I thought that I would wear forever. I've never been able to figure her out properly. Are the pom-poms going to help? Wait. All of a sudden, it's transformed into a full-on jacket. One more look and I'm sold. Holy Shazam. I think I'm done. This impractical investment in the pom-pom sleeves transforms any look I happen to don into runway ready. Have a good day.